Assam will be going to polls by April next year, and therefore the Election Commission has now started the process of revisiting the 2025 voter list of Assam. What we have picked up from our sources in the CEO Assam's office, that already in several constituencies of Assam, a pre-SIR process has started, and this process is aimed to map the 2025 voter list of that particular area with the 2005 voter list. 2005 was the last time that a intensive revision of the voter list had taken place in Assam, and therefore these data are being mapped to find out if there are any discrepancies, and also to see that if the legacy voter list data is completely maintained, and to see if there is any demographic shift, given the fact that demographic shift is a major poll plank as well in Assam. Also the fact that it will check for the entry of new voters, and therefore for the entry of new voters all the documents are being verified. For deletion, verification of the death certificate is mandatory now. And what is more important, what we are picking up from our sources, is that this is going to be the first ever mapping of the voter list after the 2023 delimitation of the assembly constituencies in Assam. So therefore it is a very major exercise which is being taken up by the CEO's office in Assam in different constituencies, although the process has been kept low key given the fact that there have been controversies surrounding the Bihar SIR. But since the Election Commission plans to conduct SIR across the country, so therefore in poll-bound Assam the pre-SIR process has started, and the focus at this moment is also to make separate lists for people or voters who are 100 or 100 years of age or more, for voters in a family who have 10 or more than 10 voters, and even for the new voters there is a separate list which is being made.